Alright, we're doing the teams now for the 8 box break for tonight. It's 5:06 and 19 PM Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants, dice roll. Oh, going again. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Teams 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So, Ben Wilson with the Blazers, Michael Green Lakers, David Rodriguez Thunder, Coulson Mavericks, Bowman Rockets, Sean the Celtics, Coulson Hornets, Harry with Sixers, Andrew with Pistons, Tim Compton with Spurs, Sean with Hawks, Swain with Kings, Paul Hill with Pacers, Coulson with Wizards, Bowman Cavs, Jackie Bucks, Andrew Hunt Clippers, Lee Atua Grizzlies, Coulson Raptors, Van Houten Heat, James Irvine Bulls, Portermain Nuggets, Sean Pelicans, Sean Sun, Van Houten Knicks, Sean Nets, Lee Warriors, Stuart Sales, T-Wolves, Shane Overend Jazz, and Ed Lee with the Magic. And that's it.